Good morning, everyone. Hope everyone is doing better than I am. This should not be a super long recap video because today I hit my max stop so fast, just like yesterday and the day before. I honestly don't know what's going on. The market's great, and I've been doing my worst trading like ever. Right now, today, and we have like what, 2-3 more days till the month is over? No, 2 more trading days after the month is over. I just went red on the month. So unless I make a pretty decent amount of money, this is going to be my first red month since 2019, like Q4 2019, when I started streaming. So that's how bad I've been doing this month. I don't know what it is. I'm just a FOMOing all over the place, I guess you can say. Here's my stats for the day. So I'm down 1,200 on REDU and 900 on CXDX or CXDC, and I did a little bit of a FOMO trade just now on KAVL because I was stopped out for the day, and then I was like, I'm just going to use really small size to see how I trade this one, and I absolutely still butchered it. This ticker's up 126%, and I almost went red on it. So yeah, good thing I used smaller size. So let's just talk about what I did today and where I went wrong. Now, like right now, I'm like feeling really defeated. Like I know I'm a pretty good trader. I'm very consistently profitable. This is my livelihood, and sometimes, I mean, statistically, you're going to have, rough patches. That's just how it goes. Even if you flip a coin, there's going to be those really weird moonshot times where, 10 times in a row it lands on heads or tails, right? And I'm a little bit in one of those situations where every trade I make is red. Sometimes I'll have like one green one and I'll be like, yeah, finally. But it's like I'll go for these Frontside pullbacks, and the second I go for it, it just feels like the market's against me. It's a little bit like that. Obviously, I know the market doesn't give give a crap about me. But it just feels like that sometimes where, all right, we're on a front side. Let's go. I buy into if it's a breakout or a pullback, and then boom, it's over. And then all the ones I don't do are the ones that end up rallying. Obviously, I know that's not the case. That's just how it feels like, because that's really what's been happening. I documented 30 trades on Monday. Tuesday, I did like 20 trades. And the majority of those were all filled front side pullback. So it's like I'm just getting into the game a little bit late. I think my problem is I'm a little bit scared. I'm nervous. I'll see a ticker just start the front side. I'm like, okay, let's see what happens. It does one good pullback. I'll do the second. I'll go in for the second breakout or second pullback, and then it's already over. And then it just again. And I'm using pretty decent size right now, like $20,000. That's why my max stop right now is around $2,000. I gave myself a little bit of leeway. Yesterday, I went in for one more trade after the stream, after the recap video, and that was another $2,000 red day. So yesterday, I hit my max stop. Today, I hit my max stop. So I just gave back all my profits. It's been a tough month for me. It's been a tough week, but overall, this month has just been not so hot for me. So let's recap the trades, and then I'll go ahead and wrap it up. This is right now KAVL looking really good. I would love to keep trading this ticker. Obviously, I can't. I went in for this breakout here. Very small size, like 25% based on my average position size or my ideal position size. I just quickly stop out on this candle pretty much near the low. And, then it continues rallying here like a 70% plus. And I think that really shows my problem. Like, I'm just a little bit late in the game. I'm not focused. I think I'm thinking about how big of a hole I'm in. Today I was up $500, and yesterday I said if I could just make $100 today, I would be happy, and I should just walk away. So I think the big problem with myself right now is I'm just not content. So I think tomorrow, literally, if I can just make $100, I pretty much have to close my laptop screen. We'll see what happens. Obviously, I want to trade one good front side or like one pattern. I don't want to like have arbitrary rules. I always want to focus on the stocks and not make arbitrary rules around my trading. But yeah, if I could just make one, let's forget about the money. If I could just make one good trade, I would be happy, right? So that's really what I need to be focusing on. How can I make one good trade? So this is REDU. It's not, it's kind of on a backside, but we had one big green day on the 25th. Yesterday we had an engulfing candle, and today we were trying to break those highs, and we did for a little bit. So here I go. This ticker, a little bit of a flat top breakout, breaks out. I'm like, okay, nice little breakout here. Let me buy that pullback. I buy a little bit more, get shaken out here, buy a little bit more, pops up, I close right away, and then I try to go for another breakout, and I'm scalping here, and it's a disaster. And then I'm like, okay, now it's pulling back. Let me edge into this one. Perfect pullback, right? Fails. Boom, just like that in REDU. I lose $1,200. Actually, I lose like $1,600 because of this first little profit here. So it's just like, I'm not getting any I'm just not catching any break, It's like tickers that should continue running don't, and then we get randomly, the ticker right now, KAVL, and I'm already stopped out. So I would have loved to keep trading this one. I probably would have traded this pullback knowing me, but I couldn't. Yeah. So we see CXDX, another ticker, popping pre-market. This one's kind of nasty. Also doesn't have a catalyst. It's on a backside overall. Not my favorite kind of play. Let's see the 5-minute, pretty aggressive after hours move, and it's been consolidation ever since. So let me show you guys what I did here on this one. This ticker pops back above VWAP, and I start getting a little bit aggressive. I'm kind of scalping here with really small size. Then it's on breaks out again, and I'm trading these breakouts. These are such quick trades. Like I go for the long, and then I close right away. Go for the long, close right away. Go for the long, close right away. Like I'm lacking serious conviction. I'm also using pretty small size. I'm not even really sure why. And then finally there's a pullback, and I go in for pretty big size, and guess what? It flushes again. This ticker wasn't even on that good of a front side. I thought we had room to run till $2. Yeah, I don't know. I think KXDX, this was I should have left it when it popped back over 1.6. Technically, that's where you should start trading it. But with my luck right now, that's probably where I should have left it. So I feel like this one's an honest mistake on my end, and I'm not too upset about it. With REDU, I'm a little bit more butthurt, I guess you can say, because I just feel like this was a really good pullback opportunity, and it just failed. And I'm like, come on, like how many of these are going to fail when I jump on them? Yesterday was really bad. Like when I was documenting my trades this morning, I was like, oh my God, it's like every trade I went in failed. And it's not like, I'm not saying, the market, should be working for me. It's not. I'm just like, I need to relax. I need to get in quicker. I need to take my profits. I need to be more spatially aware, and when a ticker is a little extended, I need to walk away or be a little bit careful or trade smaller size. I mean, I'm trading like pullbacks on an extended 5-minute candle and stuff like that. So the pullbacks I am trading, and I'm sure you guys who are watching this with a leveled head are like, Alex, these pullbacks that you're trading aren't good pullbacks. And I realize that, and that's my problem. I'm just not level-headed right now. So I need to put a little bit of space between me and the losses. So, coming tomorrow, I just need to be really relaxed. If I can just take one good trade tomorrow, even with smaller size, and just shut it down, I think that'd be the best thing, because sometimes when you're in these red zones with your mind and your trading, sometimes all that you really need is a little bit of time, a little bit of space, and then 3, 4 to 5 days time, you'll be back at it again. It's obviously extra hard to do because I know the month is ending, and it would be great not to end the month red. Technically, with all my swing trades combined, it would be a green month, but for my day trading portfolio, this would be my first red month ever. So I think that also creates a little bit of stress. Well, not ever, but since we started the small cap gap and go challenge. So that was in 2019. So it feels like a long time. So yeah, that's my rant for this video, guys. I hope you got some value out of that in terms of, seeing a trader in the red, and just, you know, how one feels about those things, and what I want to do going forward. And ultimately, it's not focused on the money. It never is. Anytime you're focused on the money with trading, that's usually a bad thing. Just focus on what's in front of you. Focus on the best setups. And right now, I'm just trying to trade anything, and then I stop myself out before the good stuff comes, like KAVL, and that's really the problem. I should have been waiting for KAVL, and I guarantee you, if I just didn't trade any of that other nonsense like CXDC or REDU, I would have seen this and I would have started buying the front side. But by the time this got up, I was stopped out for the day. I decided to do a little bit of very small size trading, and even this size was too big, just to kind of see how I would react, and I reacted horribly. So knowing that, I was like, this is just bad stuff, Alex. All right, guys, I'm going to wrap it there. You know, don't forget to drop a like on the way out. I really do appreciate the support. Yeah, guys, consider subscribing if you're new. Join the journey. We have over $100,000 in profit, and next goal is 500,000 and then $1 million. And we know we can do it. We just got to be patient, and we'll get there. I'm excited for all the challenges that come as our account grows, and as we diversify a little bit more into swing trades, as we max out day trading. But I think that's still a bit of time to come. But those are going to be all fun chapters to go through. Anyway, guys, that's all for this video. I'll see you then first thing tomorrow morning. If you're still trading, good luck, everyone. And like always, stay safe and make some awesome trades. Ciao, ciao.